Will the IPL continue or not thanks to the pandemic? Well, Sourav Ganguly has given a statement on that. I'm going to be giving you those details. Uske baad dekhenge what does Fakhar Zaman have to say about Quinton de Kock, aur sabse ant mein dekhenge did Moeen Ali actually ask for his jersey to be changed? Hello everybody, welcome to Cricket Tracker. My name is Nivedna Prabhu. If you love cricket and like staying updated, then this is the show for you. But before I begin the video, if you haven't liked, shared and subscribed to Cricket Tracker as yet, what are you waiting for? Jaldi jaldi se kar dijiye. And without wasting time, let's begin this video. Well, what a performance by Pakistani player Fakhar Zaman. What an amazing knock. Out of 155 balls, he got that 193, out of which 18 were fours and 10 sixes. Quite a rocking performance, but it was that run out that really caught everybody's attention. Now, on one hand, of course, Quinton de Kock was right there when these Pakistani players were running between the wickets, and he made a gesture saying or maybe looking like, the ball was going to go at the non-striker's end, which really created some sort of confusion, and that run out happened. However, Zaman has now come out and said that it's actually not Quinton de Kock's fault. He actually said what really took place over there when they were running between the wickets. He said that, he felt it was his fault as he was too busy looking out for Haris Rauf at the other end, and he started off a little late from his crease. So he thought he was in trouble. The rest is up to the match referee, but I don't think it's Quinton's fault, is what Zaman had to say. However, you let me know in the comment section below, what did you think about his amazing performance? Let me know your thoughts. COVID-19 cases are unfortunately increasing in India, which means that there were a lot of speculations and questions about whether the Indian T20 League will still continue. Now, of course, this time around, India is playing host to the 14th season of the IPL. And this time around, the BCCI President Sourav Ganguly has come out and said that it is going to continue as expected. Everything is on schedule. Now, Ganguly's comments comes right after the Maharashtra government did announce that the state will be going into a weekend lockdown to really combat the unprecedented cases of COVID-19. Now, the first match, of course, is supposed to take place between the Bangalore franchise and the Mumbai franchise in Chennai. However, from 10th to 25th is when all the matches will be taking place in the Wankhede Stadium. But as per Ganguly's comments, everything is as per schedule. But how excited are you for the IPL? Definitely share your opinions with me in the comment section below. Well, with just a few days to go for the Indian T20 League, how excited are you to be wearing your favorite jerseys is the main question. But most importantly, there were many reports about Moeen Ali asking about a particular sponsor brand logo to be removed from his jersey. However, that's actually not the entire story. On one hand, everybody is aware that Moeen Ali does not consume alcohol or even promote alcohol, and maybe that's the reason this particular brand, the SNJ Distilleries, which is based in Chennai and was also one of the sponsors of the Chennai franchise, was one of the reasons why Moeen Ali had requested for this logo to be missing from his jersey. However, the CEO of the Chennai franchise, Kasi Vishwanathan, has refuted these claims and said that Moeen Ali did not make any such request, and it's just happened to be his jersey to be in that particular way. Are you excited to don your yellow jersey? Tell me in the comment section below. उसी के साथ दोस्तों ये वीडियो यहीं पर खत्म होता है. If you like the video, you know what to do. Give it a big thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and of course comment below and tell me what do you really think about the first match between the Bangalore franchise and Mumbai franchise. Give me your predictions. कौन जीतेगा? Who's going to be the key player? And most importantly, who is going to lift the title of the 14th season of the IPL? I'm very excited. You also share all your opinions with me in the comment section below. I will see you very soon, and until I see you next time, like I always say, wear your mask, take care and stay safe.